Welcome back, guys, to our DSA challenge series. Till now, we have completed 4 phases of our series, and with today's question, we will be beginning with the phase 5 of our series. Our phase 5 is based on the data structure queues. So let us start with that today's question. The question says, find the winner of the circular game. So first of all, let us understand this particular question. There are n friends that are playing a game. The friends are sitting in a circle, are numbered from 1 to n in clockwise order. More formally, moving clockwise from the ith friend brings you to the I plus 1th friend, and moving clockwise from the nth friend brings you to the first friend. So let me explain you the question. We are given n friends. Suppose if n is equals to 5, and those n friends are playing a circular game, and we are also given an integer which is equals to k. So what we will do, we will count them in a circle. And if we encounter our counting double is equals to k, then we will eliminate that particular friend. For example, this 5 friends are given to us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will count. At 1, our counting is 1. At 2, our counting is 2. And k value is also given to us as 2. So what we will do, we will eliminate 2 in the first round. Then what we will be left with 1, 3, 4, 5. Again with 3, we will start our counting from 1 and 4, 2. Whenever we encounter 2, then we will eliminate that particular number. So we will eliminate now 4. In the similar fashion, we will keep on going until and unless there is only a single friend left in that particular circular game. Whenever a single friend is left, that particular single friend will be our winner of that particular game. So I hope the question is clear to you all. There are n friends which are playing the circular game. We will keep on counting. As soon as we encounter our count, double is equals to k, we are going to eliminate that particular number. And we will continue do this in the similar fashion till only a single person is left. Single number is left in that circular game. So let us now see the approach. See, whenever we are encountering a number which is equals to k, we will directly eliminate it. And whenever we encounter an account which is not equal to k, then what we are doing, we are putting it at the end. Suppose here 1 is equals to 1, 2 is equals to 2. So at 2 is equals to 2, we will eliminate it. And at 1 equals to 1, we are pushing it to the end. So our approach is going to be, we are going to store all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a queue. Whenever we encounter our count double is equals to k, we are going to pop it out. If it is not equals to k, we are going to push it to the end of the queue data structure. So I hope the approach is also clear to you all. Now let us see the code of this particular question. See what we did. We made Q and PQ. Then what we have done, we have inserted all the numbers in that particular queue, pq.pushi, in line number 5 to 8. After that, we have initialized G with R1. This is our count. Our count is going to start from 1. Then we have applied a loop while pq.size is greater than 1. Then we have applied a condition if G double equals to K. This is the condition when we are going to eliminate that particular number. We are going to pop it out from the queue. So if G double equals to K, we will pop out from the queue and we will again begin our counting from 1. Otherwise, what we are going to do, we are going to push that particular element to the end of the queue. So what we are doing, we are taking that particular element in t is equals to pq.front, we are going to pop it and we are going to push it to the end of our queue data structure. And we will increment the value of G, that is our count. So we will keep on doing this until and unless our pq.size is greater than 1. Till only a single number is left in that circular game, we will keep on continuing this process. This process will stop as if only a single number is left in our circular game. And then we will return pq.front, which is the winner of that particular game. I hope the question is clear to you all. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.